I've not seen my boyfriend for a week and it's date day, so let's get ready together. Let's get the skin plumping. Press that goodness into the skin. Make sure we have no leaky eyes. Oh, mama, the only girl calling me baby. Sticking the slugs down with the one and only BFF Brower. Oh my god, I'm so excited to go out and have some drinks with Sam. Yay! Use my melon jelly dewy. Oh god, I just smacked myself. Then in our porous textured areas, we're using a mattifying pore filling primer. Buffing in my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. Using my Rare Beauty Stick because it's like a cool toned bronzer just to bronze up. Let's bronze up that nose. Applying my liquid blush. Completes the look. Just applying my Lancome concealer. Just blending it out. Notch them cheekbones. Sam's also obsessed with this song, so excuse it being on twice. Snatch the cheekbones, and now I'm just gonna swipe up to do the cheek plump trick. Sprayed my magic little spray to make everything come together. In this shade, just through the crease and winging it out. Just added a bit of deeper colour to the outer corner. Again, wing. Added some lashes, and then I'm just using my Dior blush, but on a little broken brush, and just really applying that on my cheekbone. Never have too much blush. Adding a creamy white shadow to this part of the eye just makes it look so much better. Adding my Glow Milk in Pear Pressure just to make our skin look like skin again, and look at that. Popping on a bit of lip liner. This is the finished look and I'll show you my outfit. So this is the fit. I've got Sam's Represent top on, jeans are from Zara, my whatever these are, and my bag.